Hi, grade 10s. Today we are going to take a look at using the imperial system for mass. Okay? There are a couple conversions I want you to take a look at here. If we are in the US system, then a pound is 16 ounces and a ton is 2,000 pounds. Because there's only two conversions, we're also going to take a look at the British or the UK imperial system. Their pound is defined the same as ours, it's 16 ounces. But their ton is a little different. Instead of 2,000 pounds, it's 2,240 pounds. So these are the conversions we're going to be making use of today. And that'll be on your quiz next class. So let's take a look at a few examples. So first example is a chocolate bar is 6 ounces. In a case, there's 8 chocolate bars. How many pounds are there in a case? So first of all, let's find the total ounces in a case. So that's going to be 6 ounces times 8 chocolate bars, which will give us 48 ounces. Then we have to take that 48 ounces and we have to change it into pounds. So going back up here, a pound is 16 ounces. So we're going to take 48 and we're going to divide it by 16, and that's going to give us 3 pounds. Okay? So the case of chocolate bars is 3 pounds exactly. Again, it's really important that you show your work when you do questions like this. If you don't show your work and you just write down the answer, you'll only get partial credit. Worse yet, if you do 2 or 3 things and you do all but one of them correctly, there's a mistake in there somewhere, and you only write down the answer and it's wrong, you're going to get nothing. So show your work and make your work easy to follow. If it's easy to follow, then it's easier for me to give you marks. Next question. A bag of potatoes is 12 pounds. How many ounces is there in this bag? So we're going to go ahead. We got 12 pounds. And in every pound, there's 16 ounces. So we're going to multiply that by 16. And when we do that, we're going to get 192 ounces. So fairly straightforward, just 12 times 16, and we get to where we need to be. One last question, then it is homework time. A transport truck is 8,400 pounds. How many US tons is the truck? So we're using the fact that 1 US ton is 2,000 pounds. That's provided to us at the top of the other side of the paper. So 1 ton is 2,000 pounds. So if we can just kind of eyeball it here, we can kind of think that this is going to be somewhere in the neighborhood of 4 tons. So let's figure out exactly how many tons it's going to be. So 4 tons would be an estimate. It's going to be more than 4 tons. So what do we have to do with 8,400 and 2,000 to get an answer that's about 4? Well, we're going to divide. So it's 8,400 divided by 2,000. And that's going to be 4.2 tons. I think because it's imperial, we're going to write it like this. There you go. Wrong. I had it right the first time. It's 4.2 tons. And that's it, that's all. So when you're doing your homework, remember, show your work for every question. If there's a comparing question, you'll have to turn one of them into the other. There's a word problem, could be one step, could be multiple steps, but show all your work.